Today I'm going to be cooking in the Ooni FYRA 12. Let's do it. Yep. I think it's about time to add some more pellets. You see how old this bag is? Once that's caught, it's kind of gone out, so I'm just gonna give it a little bit of a nudge. Whilst that flame decides to catch, I'm just gonna give my little oven a wipe. Nice brush. Get rid of some of these pellets. Get some oxygen. Good whack because they need to go down the what? Just about 60 seconds on here with the cast iron pan, and I should be good to go for my cook. And it should be, yeah, look, right in the middle there, it's like 420, but it's going to be hotter than that because the stone has got the full-on lots of heat penetrated into the stone, so it's going to be a hot stone. This is ready to go in. Let's do it. Oh, I'm supposed to put the door on. Oh, I forget with these wooden ovens. I forget to put the door on. Gosh. I really I feel so uncomfortable watching this. This brings back memories of the Ooni 3 when I put the door on and the thing just disintegrated inside the oven because I couldn't see what it was doing in seconds because it was such a fantastically fiery oven. And I still have strong and vivid memories of that. I think that's why I developed this thing about not liking cooking with the door. I think that's moved. Cooking with the door off. With the door on, I mean. I just nice peaceful afternoon, beautiful hot day, and it's about 24 degrees Celsius in the UK right now, and it's like unbelievable. We're having a nice little heat wave. Love it. I wish it would last all summer, but it doesn't, unfortunately. Okay. I feel so nervous about cooking with the door on. I'm going to put a bit more of this on there. It's jalapeno, apple and tequila on top of the amount I've already put on there, just to give it a bit more of an oomph, hot sauce oomph. And my basil, which I've been watering in this heat wave every day, is starting to look a bit worse for wear. It's not looking good. But there's a few bits I can pick off, but they are the smallest leaves ever. Like, I don't know what's happened. This doesn't like my climate at all. I think it's time to buy a new plant. My crust and the fact that it's not very bubbly. Not many bubbles. This is a dough that hasn't had a cold proof, and I only made it 20 hours ago, so it's not had a full 24-hour proof, and it's just come out of a room proof, so it's had no cold proof. But the base, I'm glad I put the cast iron pan on there because the base has come out really well. That's exactly how I like it. Let's try this with the jalapeno, apple and tequila sauce. Such a crunchy, lovely, crunchy cook to it. Oh, and these tomatoes, oh my god, so beautiful, cooked like that. Very lovely. I can taste the jalapeno sauce is really nice with tomatoes and the mozzarella. Can't go wrong. It's very crusty, crunchy dough from the cook in there. It's really crunchy. If you can hear my crunch bite. Lovely cook. FYRA 12 does a really good cook. Very easy to do. As long as you've got a cast iron pan to reduce that stone temperature when it gets a bit too hot, you're good to go. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button if you did. Smash the like button. Take care, and I'll see you soon. Bye.